Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this class. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to spot reversal, pullback, or trend change in the forex market. You understand? A lot of people cannot actually spot when the market actually wants to reverse, and this is actually very, very bad. You understand? Sometimes the market might be going up because I told you guys, market always like anytime market goes up, it might come down. So people might be expecting market to just like keep going up like that. You understand? You want to like keep making money from the forex market, but market might be telling you, might be giving you, to be showing you definitely that, oh, I want to come down at this point in time, and a lot of traders cannot spot it. You understand? Now, before we even go into the class, I want to let you know that forex will like take money from you. Honestly, this is the hard reality. This is the hard truth. At first, it take money from you, but I want to let you know that you're on the right path. Do you guys understand? You're on the right path. The market might be crazy. You understand? Market is always moving every time. You don't know when to sell. You don't know how to buy. Just don't be scared of the market. You understand? I started trading, that was 4 years ago, and ever since then, that was 2019, and ever since then, it has not really been an easy ride. But with God on my side, and with so much knowledge that I have been able to acquire over the years, I've been able to become a profitable forex trader. You guys understand? Understand that no knowledge is wasted, and you constantly learning is actually what will make you a profitable trader. You understand? And in as much as you are learning this, ensure that you are actually practicalizing what you are learning. You understand? Number one, all these things are actually very, 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 very easy to spot, but the problem is a lot of traders don't spot them. You understand? So let us imagine that we were actually on this market. You understand? We can actually see an uptrend in the market here. You can see an uptrend in the market here. Even though sometimes trend lines are not actually accurate, but you should be able to know that when markets keep breaking above the like I told you, when market keep breaking above the previous higher high, market is said to be in an uptrend. You understand? At that point in time, we can note that, and we can see that market is actually in an uptrend. Do you guys understand? So let me delete this. You can see that market is in an uptrend. Let me delete this. So the next thing is, we expect markets to pull back and go up. You understand? Just like as markets went up here to this side, markets pulled back and markets went up. But basically markets to maybe pull back to this particular level and maybe go up, or markets to pull back here and go up. You understand? The time market fails to break above the previous higher high, we can see market wants to change. That's one. And number two, your candles. How are your candles reacting? You understand? How are your candles reacting? When you start seeing that there is no more pressure again in the market, you understand? Giving this example over here. At this point in time, I told you guys about momentum and pressure at the beginning of our class, and I told you it's actually very, very important. You understand? When you see that there is momentum and pressure in the market, you can see market wants to what? Market wants to keep selling, or market wants to keep buying. You understand? Now, take a look at this candle. Take a look at how full it is. You understand? Take a look at how full this candle is. Take a look at how full this candle is. Now, after market kept selling for a very long time, we could see these green candles. They're actually very, very small, forming very, very small candle. It means that market wants to what? Keep selling. And what the market do? Market sold, started forming little candles. But at this point in time, the candles started becoming more clearer. Now, at this point in time, buyers were actually like setting in. Buyers were coming in because market has actually like sold for a while. You understand? And after this time, we could see that market actually like played for a while. Yeah, there was already seeing what? More stronger green candles. More stronger green candles. And the next thing was that we saw was what? Market went to the upside. Do you guys understand? So number one, once you can understand that, number one, what is very important is you looking at the chart. Look at the chart differently. You understand? Look at wicks. Look at body of candles. You understand? Look at the momentum. Our market forming, our market very, very small. Our market, are the candles very, very small? Are the candles very, very big? You understand? This is actually what is going to like differentiate you from a regular trader. It's not just about drawing charts. You understand? A lot of people use indicators. A lot of people use. I'm going to like explain to you about indicators very soon in our next video. You understand? Indicators. You see a lot of lines on the market. But what is very important and why I use why my chart is actually like very, very clean is because I understand that those indicators are actually very, very late. You understand? You being able to see what the market is doing through candlestick alone can actually make you money. You understand? So now, let me give you another scenario right here. So what should we expect the market to do here? Number one, if you were to be let us say a 30 minutes or let's say a lower time frame trader, what will you be expecting? Just like I told you guys, when market breaks above the previous high, we're expecting markets to what? To keep going up. But what the market do here? Market slow down. And what is the reason? The reason is because, number one, the overall trend, looking at markets from this region, market is what is going down. That's why I told you, the higher the time frame, the more confirmation it will give you about where the market is going to. You understand? So just imagine that I didn't see all these parts. You understand? I'm only seeing here. I'll see that market went up, market came down, market went up. So I bet the markets come down and go up. No. Look at market from where? From the higher time frame. That means market on the higher time frame using a trend line or something. What do? Market is what? Market is coming down. You guys understand? So we saw markets go up, come down. Sorry. Saw market go up, come down, went up again, came down, went up again. The next thing we're expecting market to do is to come down. Do you guys understand? Market came down here. At that point in time, we saw that. See how strong these red candles were. They were very, very strong. They were strong. At that point in time, market started playing. Market started consolidating. Then we started seeing a little bit of trend to the upside. That shows that what? Buyers are coming in. The next thing we're expecting market to do is to buy. So market cannot just keep on going up or keep on coming down. When you're able to see these candles like this, you're able to see that, okay, markets are now forming small candles. Markets are forming small candles. And you can discover that, oh, it's in an area of value. You understand? And you look at the overall trend. Looking at the 4 hours, the daily, the weekly, we're seeing that, oh, market is going on an uptrend. You understand? Most of all this, even on the 4 hours, it might be a pullback you are trading. It might be a pullback of the overall general trend. You understand? You can even look at the yearly chart. The market is going up. But when the market is going up, market might come down at a certain level. And if you zoom on it, you might be seeing a sell because market is coming down, even on the 4-hour time frame. But on the general chart, market is actually like going up. So these are the things that actually cause what? They cause pullback. They cause trend change. You understand? So how are you able to know, oh, markets want to go up, market wants to come down? Number one, I told you through your trend. Through your trend, because market was going up at this point at a certain time. But what did market do? Market changed. It started coming down. Why? Because of this trend. You understand? What causes markets to change its course from going up to coming down? Number one, the trend. The trend is actually very, very important. Number two, buyers or sellers are leaving the market. You understand? Causing the other people to enter. If buyers are leaving, sellers will take over the market. If sellers are leaving, buyers take over the market. Do you guys understand? And you are able to see this thing through what? Through candles. Through candles. See it here. This is a big example. Take a look at how these candles are. This thing right here is a wick. It's a rejection. You understand? Take a look at how little the candles are. You understand? At first, we saw this spike. This green spike. There's momentum. You understand? There's pressure from the buyers. Market came down here. Then at this point in time, market started reducing. They started seeing little candles. At this point in time, you can say that what? Markets want to come down. I can't keep repeating this thing over and over again. You understand? We have to keep moving on. And I'm so sure you guys have learned a lot from the market. You guys have learned a lot from this course. Do you guys understand? So looking at it, you guys will be able to tell. Anytime you see a very funny, you're not seeing pressure anymore. You're not seeing long candles anymore. The next thing that market is like consolidating. You can see, oh, market wants to what? Market wants to change its direction. Do you guys understand? So we can keep going on and on in different time frames. In different currency pairs. This is Euro USD, GBP USD is the same. Even trading crypto is the same. Do you understand? So once you understand that your overall trend is actually very, very important, that's one. Number two, once you understand that candlesticks, looking at the candles can actually tell you, and number three, your area of value, you can actually know where market wants to trend. Where market wants to change course, so that you don't get to trade you don't expect, okay, just take a look at this example. Let me give you this final example right here. So we can see that market is what? Sorry, I don't know. So we can see that market is what? Market is coming down. So a lot of folks, what are they going to do? Clone. So let me put this like this so you guys can see it very well. So at this point in time, we can see that what? Market went up, came down, went up, came down. So a lot of people might be expecting market to what? To come all the way down. You understand? But when market got here, what did market do? You could see that at this point in time, when market was coming down from here because it was on the downtrend, when market was coming down, you could see that there was no funny candles. You understand? There was no funny candles. Nothing stopped it at the middle. But yeah, you can see that it was like market is reacting towards this side. You can see how market just came down here. It went up acting like this. Why? Because there's no a lot of pressure from the buyers because market originally it is coming down. You guys understand? So buyers, this is actually a pullback because when market, like I told you, when market goes down, it's a pullback a bit, then to come down. So market came down, pullback a bit. Well, market was supposed to come down towards this direction. You understand? But what did market do? What did market do? I told you, always identify your area of value. Look at this place. This is an area of value. Market reacted here. Market reacted here. Market reacted here. Market reacted here. You understand? Don't use lines. Use, like I told you guys, use rectangles. Because it's not just one line. So, we see that what? Market came to this place. And market was unable to break below this area. Market formed these little candles. Then from here, market moved up. At the point in time, market has what? Market has changed. It's what? It's trend. You understand? So with this, you should be able to spot trend change, and with this, you should be able to know when to leave the market, when to sell the market, and how to avoid fake trades. At the point in time, this is a fake trade. You're trying to like sell all the way. You understand? This is a fake trade. It's possible that you might enter a sell from here. It's possible you might enter a sell from here. You understand? But like I always tell you, put your take profits in the nearest support or resistance. You understand? So I mean, if you put it here, you will have made your money. You're out of the market. See what market is doing before you enter a trade again. I'll see you guys in the next class. I hope you guys learned a lot. Peace.